Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network channel. Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you about the WhatsApp launches the new feature that's called a PIP mode for the Android. Okay, so here actually you need to open the Play Store. In that you need to type the WhatsApp. Just check instead of open if you get uh, update option, just update it. Okay, click on read more to find out the version which I'm using. So here is 2.18.30 version which I'm using, and also I'm a beta tester of this app. So this PIP mode is a new feature launch along with the uh, swipe to reply. And the previously video I've shown you how to swipe to reply work in the Android and WhatsApp, and now the PIP mode, that's picture in picture mode for viewing the videos on a particular platform. So this is about that one. Just open your WhatsApp here, and what you need to have is 2.18.30 version beta. In that one, just select the one user, and here is a two videos which I have. One is a YouTube and one other one is a Instagram. You can also play the video from the Facebook also. So this is like it's playing, and this is all about the, you can also make a full screen, and also like close also there, resolution also. See for the Instagram you also you can see here, this is like this, and also you can continue. Chart also is there, like I'm selecting here, and this can move from anywhere if you want, and you can also play while continue chatting also. Here you can done it. So this all about the PIP mode, picture in mode, and it's also work for the Facebook also, and YouTube, Instagram videos also. This is called picture and mode, and this has been released in iOS also. And if you once go back while playing the video, it will be closed automatically, so it will not play. So it will be play only in a per group or the in a chat only. So this is about that one. So if you have any problem, you can comment below to my video, and thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Cloud channel.